Welcome back, everyone, for Bertram Invests. My name is Bertram. Welcome back to the channel on our weekly update of investing $125 into monthly paying dividend stocks. I'm going to start off with a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. If you wish to invest your own money, please seek professional advice. This video is specifically for entertainment purposes only. With that out of the way, I think the microphone is good this week. I checked the levels before we did it. I'm probably going to move back a teeny bit, but anyway, microphone should be good. Yeah, let's just get into the video pretty much. So, as you can see, things aren't too hot. It's gone down since the weekend about $22, which isn't like prohibitively bad considering like how much money we're putting into the market each week and stuff. So let's call it, that's what, 1/6 of our investment this week, which isn't too bad. I mean, in the long term, it'll be better. But still, things in the news are going to be the tariffs. That's pretty much like the biggest thing that's affecting a lot of what's going on right now, because companies are very much trying to be more conservative with their stuff. You can see it kind of the trend with SCHD, how it's still kind of trailing down a little bit. I mean, this one is pretty much like the ETF that everyone goes to right now, and it's really far down currently. And it just tracks the S&P 500 pretty much, or yeah, 100 dividend paying stocks. So anyway, yeah, we're making dividends so far too. We're yeah, we're kind of going up a little bit with realty income. I got a payment of 54 cents the other day, and I think another one's supposed to pay out here on the 15th or 15th of next month. But a lot of the report dates are coming up for the dividends and stuff. And I can show you here, like, just based on how many I have right now. Like, here's all the amounts I have currently, and then this is how much I can expect from like dividends, and this one here is the total. So currently I'm making about $7.62 a month in dividends, and I have, so this kind of just shows you where my plan is for all my stocks and stuff. So I plan to invest enough to make $1,000 a month here. So in order to do that with like PNNT at the current dividend rate, how much I need for this. Oh wait, no, that's at 5. Okay, hold on. So there we go. So we'll do that, and then wait, is that one right? No, that was wrong. Oh, we'll only do that. Okay, that's right. So currently, I need to have 12,000 shares in PNNT in order to make $1,000. So to get that amount, I need to have $75,500 invested into the stock itself. So that way then and have 12,500 shares. So that way then I can make the amount of $1,000 a month off of this investment. And that goes the same for like HR Horizon, PFLT, EFC, SCM. This graph kind of, or this table just kind of shows how much I need to have invested in each company, and then in total to make, what was it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it's 8. I need to have $16,000 in order to make $1,000 or $1.6 million to have invested in to make pretty much $1,000 off of each one of these. This one's at 3,000. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's 1.1 million. I kind of did that wrong. So I have this one set at 3,000 here because I need because this one pays out quarterly. So I need to have, so in order to make $1,000 a month, I need to have $3,000 here every quarter. So that's why that's different. So we got a little bit of a way to go at this point. So it's one, it's 8 stocks, so $8,000. So we're almost there, like 0.001%. But yeah, we are pretty much set to go then, and let's just get into it. My plan to invest in today is HRZN, which is Horizon. It's pretty much just because it's at a low point right now, so I can kind of pick up quite a few shares today. I think I can pick up like 13, oh, 14? Can I pick up 15? Yeah, I could pick up 15 shares today for a pretty decent price, so I'm gonna pick this one. Cool. So now we have 15 shares of HRZN, which is based on this. So let's see, 1.6. So now we shall see $1.76 a month in dividends from this stock. So now in total, we're going to see $9.27 in total dividends from uh, all my investments right now. So, let me see. Sorry, trying to get back organized a little bit. Yeah. Uh, I think my goal, like I said, I think I'm going to shift my goal a little bit. I was investing pretty conservatively the past few videos, and I still plan to invest a little conservatively, but I also feel like I need to invest maybe more evenly across the board. So I think I'm going to try to just go for 100 shares of each one of these stocks right now. So I get, basically, once I get to 100 shares, then I'll quit investing in it, and then I'll invest in something else, essentially. So that way then I can keep it even across the board, and then we'll invest more heavily. I mean, I think the next step would be getting to 200, and then 300, 400, 500, until we get to the point where we're investing so much money, it's going to be kind of ridiculous. But yeah, it's pretty much the plan right now. It's attainable. It's just gonna take a long time. And if you stick around for the journey, like I said, this is good. I think this stuff is pretty interesting. And if you stuck around so far, I'm pretty sure you find this interesting too. So, hit that like, subscribe, YouTube thing down at the bottom. Let me know how I'm doing. So, another thing is I'm also thinking about investing more money in this. Um, I $500 a month is a pretty significant amount, but I think with the way the market's kind of going right now, I think more money into the market would be a lot better. So I'm just need to go through and look at my personal finances and kind of just figure out where I can allocate more funds, see what I need to do, especially next year when I'm going to make a little bit less money and stuff. If I can just do 500, that should, in the long term, be okay. But the more, the better, pretty much. And then I'm also looking to like other investment opportunities, i.e., like my business. I'm doing it right now. So I run an eBay business as well, and I plan to use the money from that one to invest into a more eBay stuff, and then be probably the stock market again once I build it up large enough. But that one takes a little time, and I'll probably make videos on it in the future once I have access to my eBay stuff again, because I'm kind of away from home currently. And then the other thing is I'm looking into more content creation stuff, so making eBay videos, or I was thinking about doing videos about showing like personal finance stuff with like how I track my finances and how to kind of allocate funds that you make, like when you work for a job, what I do with my money is like I put half of it into my house account until I hit an arbitrary number. Once I hit that arbitrary number, then that money goes into savings, and once that savings account hits an arbitrary number, it goes into a different account, and then pretty much it just kind of bounces around until I have too much money where I don't really want to save it anymore, and then that's when I want to invest more and stuff. So that's basically the plan for the future is once I get to these arbitrary numbers, it's going to essentially allow me to invest more money into the market for the future. And then thinking about doing some self-care videos, like how to set up workouts or do workouts maybe. Um, I don't know if I want to necessarily do a face channel or keep a faceless channel, but I'll have to keep debating about that in the future. In the future, pretty much like a couple months from now. Like I'm thinking like 2 months from now, I'll probably make a huge decision about that, whether I'm gonna actually show like workouts and stuff. And like I could show like my workouts in theory that I have on my computer because I have a Word document that has every workout that I do and maybe find a way to make that available to other people just in case they want to implement that into their own lives. And then yeah, just maybe other improvement content. I don't know. Maybe like meditation videos. Never meditated myself, but just figuring out ways to kind of help people. I think that's what the main goal of the channel is just to invest in yourself, essentially. So a person investing in like their spiritual growth or their mental growth or professional growth, their financial growth, physical growth. I just want to help people out because I specifically in my case, like I've grown over the last 7 years. I'm actually celebrating this coming week, being sober for 7 years. So maybe kind of making a video to elaborate on that journey might be something I'll do because that one's pretty interesting to me, and I'm pretty sure to other people and whatnot. And then I got, I'm gonna move on to my personal life now. So I'm gonna be going on vacation here this week, i.e. to celebrate my sobriety and kind of visit family. I want to see my pets and stuff. I've been away from home for like 6 months now, and I just kind of need to decompress and stuff. And then I also need to get ready for school. I need to grab some of my books and stuff from my house and then kind of bring them where I'm at now because I'm only going to be on vacation for a couple days and we're coming back, and then the semester starts in May. I think it's May 5th is when it starts. So I'm taking 2 criminal justice classes and then taking 2 Spanish classes as well. So it's going to be kind of a full workload this summer, especially like working full time and stuff. But yeah, it's just kind of an update, everything. I hope you guys found this stuff interesting, and I don't know. I like making videos. It's kind of fun. This is just a vlog pretty much, and if you like the vlog kind of stuff, like let me know. Comment below. Hit that like, subscribe button. Tell me anything. Tell me about your day. Tell me about things going on in your life, what you like to invest in, or maybe some videos you want to see in the future. But all people can do is improve, and that's my goal with this channel is just improve, improve, improve. And I'd like to thank you guys for watching. And again, if you like it, like, subscribe, hit that comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.